In this video, we're going to go over cosine law. So cosine law is basically the same thing as Pythagorean's theorem, sorta, except that it works for non-right angle triangles. So let's say, for example, we know that, and we knew the angle was 50 degrees. All we would do is we would just plug it into this formula, plug in 5 wherever there's an A, plug in a 6 wherever there's a B, and plug in a 50 wherever there's a gamma, which usually will be theta instead. And then you just plug it in your calculator and you'll get an answer. So it's a pretty easy topic, nothing crazy about it. Let's try another example. Okay, so let's say we have this triangle here and we're trying to solve for x. In this case, x is actually c in the equation. So the equation is c squared equals a squared plus b squared, which is Pythagorean's theorem, and then you just add this extra stuff, 2ab cosine capital C. So let's just write down what everything is. So we know that a can be either 3 or 7, it doesn't matter. B will be 7 since we picked a as 3. X, or I guess we can say that c is x, and capital C is 26. So now we just plug everything in. And now we can just plug that into our calculator. So I'm going to do 3 squared plus 7 squared minus 2 times 3 times 7 times cosine of 26. And I'm going to press equal sign. And then that gives me approximately 20.25065. And then I take the square root of that answer. So I do square root answer equals, and I get C equals approximately 4.5 if you round to one decimal place. Now let's check to see if we got it right. So if we plug in everything into the equation down here, let's see what we get. 3, 7, 26. And according to the calculator, we're right. We got 4.5 approximately. So it worked. That's it for this video. For homework, try the triangle on the screen now.